Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lipstick Affair with me, Miss Mo. Today I'm going to be talking about the look I got going on right here. This is my beautiful in blue ombre lipstick look, and this look was it wasn't difficult to do, it was just a little bit more time consuming. So I just want to talk about this look, but I also want to state that the reason why I'm dressed like this, I got like a stain on my shirt, got my bra strap showing, all that stuff, is because I'm going to be working out soon. So that's why I look like this. But back to the purpose of this video, which is this lipstick look. I've been watching this ombre, how to do an ombre tutorial look video that is like 3 years old. I've been watching it lately and I'm like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do an ombre look. And when I woke up this morning, I was like, today's going to be the day I'm going to do an ombre look. And so I wanted to do the ombre look with the red and the brown, have that going on. It did not look right. So I was like, you know what? Scrap it. Let's get to the blue. And I wanted to get to the blue for 2 reasons. First reason is because I realized that I had these 2 blues in my lipstick collection. I was like, okay, I can do that. And then secondly, I wanted to do the blue because I recently got this sketch journal from Jazzy May. And this woman looks so beautiful in her blue and her long neck and just looking fabulous. I was like, I want to look beautiful in my blue too. So I was like, okay, you know what? She looks beautiful in her blue. I'm going to try to look beautiful in my blue too. So that's what I tried to do. So to get started, I use this multi-stick, which is from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild multi-stick, and the color is Not So Calm Waters. I purchased this from CVS. And I used this as my lip liner, and I went all around my lips. And then after I did that, I went back to my joker corners and I colored it in because I wanted my joker corners to be darker. So I colored it in, colored it in, colored it in. I stopped almost halfway. Then I went to my second color. And my second color is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick with a matte finish. And this is called Dreamer. This is a Dreamer Blue. This is how it looks. And I applied that lightly in the center bottom lip and on the center top lip. Also in the video, the woman talks about how to use a brush to blend. She says that she usually doesn't use a brush when she's doing her ombre look, but I'm a beginner, and in the video she was using a brush, so I used a brush. And so I use this particular brush to blend in the blues a little bit more, but to also keep in mind that at my joker corners I needed this area to be darker than the center area. So I blended it in a little bit. I blended it in, and I realized, and I got this brush set from Walmart. You can tell it's a Walmart brand. Equate or Equate. I don't know. So I blended it in, and I realized that there was some transitional effect going on, but it wasn't as defined as I wanted it to be. And so, let me put this down. And so I was like, okay, in order to do this ombre, I need a dark to light. So I got my darkest of the darks, a black, and I applied the black lip liner to my joker corners. And I just applied it here and I applied it there. And then I used the brush again to blend the black with the blue on both sides until everything was there was a seamless transition. And so overall, It came out looking good. There's definitely some trouble spots, but I'm really satisfied with the look. I know in a tutorial video, the woman talks about how you can have a cleaner look around your lips if you use concealer. Obviously, I don't have concealer, and so I didn't use it. But I definitely tried to clean up the sides by like using water and a Q-tip to clean it, and even using one of the brushes that has an angle to it. I'm using that with a little bit of olive oil. I mean, not olive oil, but coconut oil to like clean it up a little bit. But overall, that's what I use. But I'll definitely leave the tutorial link in the description box so you all can watch it and you all can do your own thing and, you know, achieve your own ombre look. But this is how this look was achieved. And so, yeah, I like it a lot. I'm excited about different ombre looks and I'm going to try in the future. So yeah, that is all from me today. Please engage with me so I can engage with you by giving this video a thumbs up or leaving comments below, or even sending me an email. The best way to, my email address is mozoloveinc@gmail.com. And so yeah, I would love to hear from you all, and so we can go on this lipstick look journey together. So yeah, this is fun. Yay! Can't wait to keep practicing. All right. Bye. Have a great day.